Hey there! Welcome! In this video, we will show you how to create your CommPeak account with your email, or a Google or Microsoft login. You will learn where you can find a sign-up link, how to create and verify your account, and how to sign up with your Google or Microsoft account. Create a CommPeak account, and use a trial credit to test VoIP and messaging services. The sign-up link is available on the homepage on our website. To start, click Get Started, and enter your email address. Alternatively, click Continue with Google or Continue with Microsoft to sign up using an existing social account. Follow the steps required by Google or Microsoft and proceed with your account setup. If you sign up with Google or Microsoft using an email that is already registered with CommPeak, no duplicate is created. Instead, you will see the looks like you already have a CommPeak account screen. Confirm the linking, and from now on you can sign in with your social account. If you prefer to keep your regular email login, click Login to continue. Click Create Account. Now, you need to verify your account. We emailed you a 6-digit verification code. Check your email inbox and enter the code on the sign-up page. If you didn't get it within a minute, click Resend it and check your inbox once again. Now, when your email has been verified, you can proceed with the registration form. Here, select the account type you need, company or individual. Then fill in your name and phone number in international format. We will call this number during onboarding to verify your account. Then provide your company name and create a strong password by using our helper hints. Finally, confirm you accept the required policies and press Continue. Congratulations, your account is created and you are redirected to the onboarding dashboard on the CommPeak portal. Complete its verification steps to fully activate your account and then start your trial. Thanks for watching and good luck!